Hi, my name is Travis Albritton, Head of Content at Buzzsprout, and in this video, I'm gonna explain why the brand new Buzzsprout Affiliate Marketplace is the best way to start monetizing your podcast. So for most podcasters, when you start talking about monetization strategies, the one that they tend to go towards is the CPM model, where the podcast host reads an ad promoting a product for a company, and then that company will reimburse them or pay them for that endorsement based on the number of downloads that that podcast episode receives. So when you have a large podcast, it can work out pretty well for you. But unless you're getting tens of thousands of downloads for every single episode, it's very difficult to make the CPM model work. And in fact, many companies that are in the business of sponsoring podcast hosts using this model of cost per 1,000 downloads, they won't even work with you unless you have upwards of 50,000 downloads per episode. So while the CPM monetization strategy does work for some, it really leaves a lot on the table, a lot lacking when it comes to the rest of us, everyone else that has a podcast. Now, another way that you can get compensated by promoting products on your podcast is by becoming an affiliate and doing affiliate marketing. And that's different than a CPM based model, because with an affiliate model, you get paid as the podcast host whenever the company that you're promoting makes money. So for example, if you sell a $100 widget, then that company would then turn around and give you $20 as your reward, as like a finder's fee for helping them gain a new customer. But when you're first getting started, it's difficult to find an affiliate program that will pay you in cash. Most entry-level affiliate programs are referral programs, where if you send someone some business, they give you store credit, right? $30 off your next purchase from that company. And there's only so many mattresses that you really need in your house before you run out of places to put them. And if you want to get into an affiliate program that does pay out in cash, you typically have to pass their level of influence requirements. And so if you have a smaller show or a smaller audience, quite often you don't meet the standard that they have for people they accept into their affiliate program. And that's why we created the brand new Buzzsprout Affiliate Marketplace, to help independent podcasters get started with monetizing their podcast without any of the restrictions or limitations that typically come with trying to become an affiliate. And so each of the companies, each of the products that we feature inside of our marketplace meet 4 important criteria. Number 1, they have to be high quality products with broad appeal. So if you have a Dungeons and Dragons podcast or a homeschooling podcast, each of the products in our marketplace could potentially be a great fit for your audience. Number 2, each of the companies within our marketplace pay out cash for this affiliate program. So if you generate a $100 sale and the commission is $35, you would get that in $35 cash, not as a $35 coupon. Number 3, each of these companies has given Buzzsprout an exclusive commission that is higher than what you could get on your own. And then number 4, each of these companies has waived the level of influence requirement that would keep many podcasters from being able to take advantage of these affiliate programs. The Buzzsprout Affiliate Marketplace truly is the best way to start monetizing your podcast, no matter how many listeners you have. And all you need to get started is to have your podcast hosted with Buzzsprout. So if you want to start a new podcast, you can just go to buzzsprout.com and sign up for a new account. Or if you want to migrate your existing podcast from a different podcast host, we have a really simple tool that shows you what your podcast will look like inside of Buzzsprout. And our support team is here to help you with every step of the way and any questions that you have. Well, we hope you enjoy the new Buzzsprout Affiliate Marketplace, and as always, keep podcasting.